Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto or fiat money into your ByBit account. Before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, once you have logged into your ByBit account, now all you have to do is go ahead and toggle on this buy crypto button at the top in the left corner, and then at the bottom, you will see fiat deposit and crypto deposit. So you can choose which one you want. So for fiat deposit, if you choose it here, you will see that you can deposit with any currency. Maybe British pounds is okay with you. So basically just enter the amount and then choose easy bank payment or any of the methods and then click continue and deposit money like so. If you want to deposit cryptocurrency, you want to click crypto deposit. After that, you need to select the coin which you want to go ahead and deposit. So for example, Ripple, and then you need to select the chain. So for example, for Ripple, the chain is only this one. And after you have chosen the network, you will see your address of Ripple here. And then you can copy it and paste it from where you are sending it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.